networker, it was a mindset. He loved meeting people. He loved seeing how he can make somebody else's life more simple. It is a mindset that he had. I always asked him, how are you so happy always? Why not sad? And he said, happiness is a state of mind. And it's a choice that you get to build. Being happy is a choice. You will always go through situations in your life. But being happy is a choice that you are making for yourself. Alright, good morning. Good morning. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm just used to saying good morning because one culture that I learned across the globe is that anytime you meet somebody for the first time, you always greet them with a good morning. Okay. Everybody okay with English? Yes. Because if I talk in Telugu, all of you will go. Naku Telugu radu, koncham ostadi. That's all I know. But I understand full Telugu, so I really thoroughly enjoyed the event till now. Okay, so first of all, thank you Sandeep for inviting, and thank you Venu for honoring that invite. Really appreciate. Thank you Sushil for all the follow-up that you've been doing. Thank you Dr. Veeram Neni for joining us today. It really is amazing. And a very, very warm welcome to all of you. Congratulations. 2 days you've been sitting in this room? Yes. Fantastic. Hats off. How he was a networker, it was a mindset. He loved meeting people. He loved seeing how he can make somebody else's life more simple. It is a mindset that he had. I always asked him, how are you so happy always? Like, why not sad? And he said, happiness is a state of mind. And it's a choice that you get to build. Being happy is a choice. You will always go through situations in your life. But being happy is a choice that you are making for yourself. When you are happy, you make better decisions. When you're happy, you're able to help people. When you're happy, you're able to do things. So I think one thing that made him very unique is the state of mind. And that is something that I've learned over years. I also go through my own troubles. I also have, a lot of people feel that Ambani has no troubles. Trust me, even he has troubles. Okay, even he has troubles. It's just the mindset of how to overcome those troubles is where some people outshine and outperform. So I love the content that you're learning today. I think one of the first few pages itself spoke about mindset. It's very important to have the right mindset. So in your life, in your journey, never start hating people. Never start believing that people are bad. It is just the situation that takes them to a direction which is not aligned with you. That's it. And these are the people who will always help you grow no matter what in your life. People is something that we have lived with. I was nobody at the age of 26 when my dad expired in 2017. Became somebody in the last couple of years only because of power of people. I love meeting people. At an average, I meet 100 new people every week. About 10 years from now, Ivan Meissner bought a ticket to travel to the moon, and the ticket is transferable. That means if you are not alive to take that flight, you can nominate the person you want to send, and Richard Branson is selling worth $1 million ticket without even having the product in the hand. But it's this trust that people have that one day he will be successful and he will take us to the moon. Product is not in the hand, $1 million product. It's just a trust that he's built across. And today, if you want to buy it, is not available because seats are full. But it's a connection with that person. He's saying, okay, let's do it. Let's have these 10 couple and I will sing for them. Connections can take you places where even money comes. I'll give you two scenarios. Option one, somebody in your family is unwell. You rush them to the hospital. You tell the doctor, I will give you abundance of money. Give the best treatment to this person. Option one. Option two, somebody is unwell in your family. You go to the hospital. You reach the doctor and you tell the doctor, your brother, Sandeep, his best friend is my brother Venu. Can you please make sure you treat my family really well? When will the doctor treat them well? Option A or option B? Option B. Option B. There are a lot of things in the world that connections and network can bring you that even money can't. And that's how I So there's certain things that I do on weekly basis, and this is the first time ever I'm sharing this. I've never shared it. You know, every room that I go, I love sharing things that I've never shared before. But there's something I've been doing for so many years of being in networking, and I thought it would be a good learning for every one of you sitting over here. So, do you have a plain paper where you can write things? Yes. Perfect. So, I'm going to teach you on weekly basis what are the things that you need to do when you are in the networking world. Can I? Yes. Yes? Should I share? Yes. Okay, do both of you in Vienna, also your room. On Monday, just send two people a message whom you will genuinely, because some situation happened and you start thinking of your school friend or your college friend or you wanted to get connected to someone. So spend about 1 day of time to get to that two connections where you are going to just send them a reminder saying, hey, I was thinking about you, I was thinking about those school days. A lot of times we sit with our family and we talk about a situation that happened in our life, but that person is not connected to you right now. Okay, so on Monday, reach out to two such connections that you have not stayed connected for really long. And not stayed connected means that you haven't called them or messaged them in last 1 month. Because there's some people we are in connect at all times, and that all times happens within 1 month. So it's been really long you have touched base with that person. So send two messages to a person that has been really long that you haven't spoken to. So Monday drill is two such messages. Everything has to be genuine. Looking at me, maybe you thought, oh my God, she looks completely like a school friend of mine. Okay, so you're going to send a message saying, I was in a training and there was one speaker who had come and that speaker just looked like you. So I thought of you. So something genuine, nothing made up. Networking is nothing made up. It's pure what you feel from your heart. Okay, so first thing is Monday, reach out to two such people. Okay. Tuesday, reach out to two people. You know, we are in a lot of WhatsApp groups. Yes, we are connected to people through WhatsApp. And people keep posting their achievements, especially on WhatsApp statuses and groups and all of that. Genuinely take time and send a congratulations to two people. That's it. Congratulations for achieving this. Read entirely about them. See what you can find and say, you know what? I always thought that you have it in you and you did it. You know what? I thought you will never shine. But you proved me wrong and I'm so happy. That is so good to see. Okay? So whatever you feel about that person, just write. If you thought this person is never going to achieve in their life anything and today they have achieved, send a message. I never thought you would achieve something, but I'm so happy to see that happen with you. Okay? So second, Tuesday is going to be congratulating two people from all the groups that you are or whoever is sending you any kind of greetings. On day 3, give any value addition to somebody. How many of us are on Instagram and Facebook? YouTube? We spend a lot of time. Okay? We start seeing content which is not related to our business but somebody else's business. For example, if you are somebody who is a foodie, you might be seeing a content of different kind of recipes that are happening. Okay, there might be some recipe that attracts you. So what you do is forward that recipe to somebody who it will benefit. For example, if I see a lot of different styles of cakes being made across the globe, I forward things that I like to my sister because my sister is a baker in the US. So I tell her, look what's happening. Look, this is something new that has come in your field. So things like that. If you find any content, whether it's videos, messages, forwards, anything that you have got, which is adding value to someone else's life or business, please forward that. Sometimes we see parenting videos. I don't know if you get it. I see a lot of parenting videos. I don't have kids. I still see a lot of parenting videos. I keep forwarding it to my cousins who are, are young parents or, just had a baby a couple of months ago and things like that. So added value content need not be only for business. Okay. So Wednesday drill is to find that value added message to somebody. Third, Thursday. Job for Thursday is to physically meet somebody. Is to go in person and meet somebody, and that somebody is not your friend who's your 2 a.m. friend whom you meet every day. Okay, that somebody is somebody new. So, like I told you, on Monday you find those 2 people who are new. Try and see if you can meet one of those 2 people on a Thursday. So try and meet somebody new on Thursday, only one person. We all are humans and we all have 100 things to do. So we find only one person we meet on a Thursday. On Friday, go through your messages and see who you had to follow up with. We usually don't give a time in our life for following up for our whatever reason. It's not just business. Follow up even for helping people. Follow up even to know if your connection worked or not. Follow up even with your kids to know if they're studying well or not. Any kind of follow up. Okay, so your Friday, 1 hour dedicated only for follow up. That's it. You're going through your messages, you're going through your social media, you're sitting with your family, whatever it is, you're just going to follow up for 1 hour. That's all you're going to do. If you've forwarded something to your sales team, you're going to follow up with them to know what happened to that connection or that client and so on and so forth. So 1 hour is Friday only for follow up. And over the weekend, okay, I don't know what Venu has taught, but he has taught anything more than that, please go ahead. But over the weekend, please share one value addition that you can bring to the world. Over the weekend, could be Saturday or Sunday. One value addition from you to the world. If you're a great dad, then talk about how you do the parenting. If you're a great business owner, talk about that. If you're a great brother, how do you do that? If you're a great friend, how do you do that? If you're a working woman who also has kids, please teach me how do you do that. Okay, so things like that. Whatever good you are, please do that. How many of you are good at negotiations? In other words, called bargaining also. Anybody good at negotiations and bargaining? Please teach the art to others. A lot of people across the globe do not know that. Okay, there is something, you know what's the difference between bargaining and negotiation? Anybody who knows the difference between bargaining and negotiation? Yeah, can you share that please?
Me, myself, Madhvi from Karnool. Ma'am, bargain is something is not beneficiary to the, the seller. We take their profit into our hand. Negotiation, win-win situation. Both will be benefited out
Fantastic.
of it.
Can we have a huge round of applause? Love that. Please negotiate in life, never bargain. Never in your life bargain. You know what happens with bargaining other than what she said? One is definitely in bargaining, you're taking away someone's profit. Trust me. You always bargain to a level where the person is like, take myself also with you. Okay. Don't just my product, take me also with you. You know, that's the stage of bargaining. You know, on the other hand, what happens once after you bargain? You lose your credibility in the market. Maybe you will get that product. After that, you might not get any other product. And over the years, the only thing people know is, oh, if she's coming in your office, don't sell anything. And you know, one of the classic examples, and which is a failure to our country, I'll give you an example, how bargaining affected Indians as a whole. How many of you have been to New Zealand? Anybody been to New Zealand? In New Zealand shops, you know what is written outside New Zealand shops? Sorry? No, Indians not allowed is still better. Trust me. No, it says dogs and Indians not allowed. That's what bargaining does. Always remember, never bargain, only negotiate. Respectfully understand how much you can squeeze the person for their benefit and your benefit. Never bargain. Never bargain. It'll never pay off in life. By paying 10 rupees extra to somebody you know, it's okay. You know, I used to get my clothing designed by a person who was not from my family. And my dad one day saw, is like, when your sister, my first cousin is a stylist. She's like, when your first cousin is a stylist, why are you going to that person? I said, because she's very expensive. I mean, I get 4,000 rupees, mein one entire dress over here. She charges 6,000 rupees. That is like 2,000 going in home only, no? 2,000 extra is going to a person you know. 4,000 giving to a person you don't know versus 2,000 you're giving to a person you know is much better. Is much better. So, start networking people for this, because it's not just that 2,000 extra you're giving her. You definitely know it's better service, it's better quality of product, and a lot of things that come with it. Yeah, awesome. So those are the top 6 things to do throughout the week. Sundays we usually leave it for family, but yeah. So these are the top 6 things I do every single week, no matter what, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, irrespective of how much ever I network in my life. I love networking. I love meeting people. I have friends across 30 plus countries. If you wish to travel a country, if you wish to just expand your business to any country, here is the right person you can reach out to. I'll be more than happy to help any single person who's a business owner and wants to grow in life.